Hi, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to the channel, Wagwan Tours. So we like to go on adventures all around the world and show you guys where you would like to vacation, go on holiday, and all the sites, exploring, etc. And we are in the gorgeous Zante, little place called Tsilivi. So let's have a look and see Wagwan. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So just walking around the main little town area just to see what restaurants, bars and activities there is to offer. So we got the Two Brothers cocktail bar over there. That's quite busy, a lot of people in there. Cocktail and snack bar. It's got an Indian and Chinese restaurant coming up, so I'll check out the menu there. Obviously, we are in Zante, Greece. There's a lot of Greek cuisine, which we really enjoy, but it might not be for everyone, so it's good sometimes when you've got a bit of variety. So tonight's special Chinese, at the time we're here, €28, and the Indian, 32. I'll just go. Obviously, it's not open at the moment. It'll be open sort of later. Go, car hire. Take a little leaflet, so you want to get a vehicle towards the end. Have a little supermarket. Buy and save. It's quite big, that one. Coffee, crepes, waffles, drinks. Morning. So some more stores. Seafood, steak, restaurant over there. Azura, looks like a nice hotel there. Big restaurant, probably be open later on. Again, we're sort of like walking, this is in the morning, so we're taking a stroll. So it's not lunchtime or anything yet, so a lot of things will be open sort of lunch onwards. So you can see straight down there, heads towards the beach. We're going to keep having a look at the shops and the like walking areas.
Guys, would you like to drive a boat?
Oh, we're fine, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Morning. Right, so it looks like the pathway's stopping here. Nice olive grove there. Right, so we're gonna cross over. Hairdressers, Golden Comb. Lots and lots of car rental places, so if you're looking to rent anything, there's plenty of option. I suggest just looking on Google and seeing what the best reviews and rates are. Grand Resort, very nice. This one looks really big. There we go. This one looks very, well, title grand. Don't forget to comment if you've been to Zante, if you stayed in Tsilivi, or if you're coming this summer. What you're looking forward to, or what did you enjoy if you've already been. And that's still part of the hotel. Go table tennis, pool table, darts. So quite a lot of people at that bus stop, and then I think we're going to go down here. So we're going to cross over and just head towards the sort of busier areas. I think around there is just going more towards hotels. Morning. Oh, there we go. These are quite popular. You've got the traditional sponges. Morning. Another henna, tattoo, hair wrap, hair braids. Morning. Local parking, there we go. Local grill. So yeah, it's lots of like little roads and little areas, so looks can be deceiving. There's like a little main bit, but I didn't realise there was so much in between. Cocktail bar. Another big hotel, no parking on that one. Bit of an odd colour that one, it's coming up on the camera, it's like a peachy brown. Right, well we're going to keep heading down, probably head towards the beach. So I just wanted to show you a little area of Tsilivi, all the little kind of shops, all the rentals, all the sort of stuff you can expect. Hope that's helped, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you've been to Greece, if you're looking to come to Greece, and I'll see you on the next one.